Hello, boys and girls. Today, for our social emotional lesson, we are going to talk about bullying. Now, bullying is a very important thing to talk about because bullying is something that's not good. Bullying is anything that makes you feel bad or makes you feel small. It can make you hurt on the inside, and bullies can hurt you on the outside. Now, a bully is anybody that makes you feel bad. Again, makes you feel bad on the inside or makes you feel bad on the outside. Now, this bully, it doesn't always have to be a bigger person. It can be somebody that's smaller than you or younger than you. It could be somebody that's bigger than you, and it can even be an adult. It can even be a grown-up. So if you are feeling bullied, then it is very, very important for you to tell a teacher or your parents, because adults can help with the bullying. And you need to tell adults so that they can hear you. Okay? Make sure they are listening to you if you have something important to say. The book we're going to read today is Jake's Secret. It looks like this shadow right here. Oh, look at his hands. His hands are like in a fist. He's mad. He's trying to be big and bad. He kind of looks like a bully. And look at Jake. His face looks scared. He's really scared of this bully. Do you ever feel scared of someone? If you do, then you need to talk to an adult. Let's read Jake's Secret. Jake loved school. He loved his teacher. He loved his classmates. He even loved the class lizard. There was only one thing about school Jake didn't love. Sam, the bully. Jake did his best to stay out of Sam's way, but it wasn't easy. Sam seemed to be everywhere. Sam snuck up on Jake in the cafeteria and grabbed his lunchbox. That's not nice. Sam didn't have a right to do that. That's not his property. He cannot take that. Sam followed him down the hall and snatched Jake's favorite dinosaur book right out of his backpack. Oh no, nobody is allowed to go through your backpack unless you say it's okay. One day, Sam stuck out his leg and tripped Jake in the schoolyard. Oh no. Jake could get really hurt. He might get in trouble for getting his clothes dirty. That's not fair and not nice that Sam did that to Jake. Jake did not do anything to Sam. Wow, Sam is being a bully. Jake came home with dirt and leaves all over his jacket and tears in his eyes. "What happened to you?" his mother asked. I fell," Jake explained, but he didn't sound very convincing. Convincing means that you have to try to make somebody think that you're telling the truth. His mom did not think he was telling the truth. Jake's mom bent down and looked into his eyes. "I want you to tell me what really happened," she said. Do you see how Jake's mom is really, really taking the time to listen to him, because it is important. It is important because Jake is really hurt and sad, and his mommy sees that. "Did someone hurt you?" Jake blew his nose and ducked his head. Sam tripped me. Sam tripped me, he finally said. And he took my stuff too. Who is Sam? His mother asked. Why is he picking on you? Sam picks on all the kids, Jake explained. Well, he's not going to pick on you anymore, Jake's mom said firmly. I'll see to that. See? Jake told his mom about being a bully being mean to him, and Jake's mom is going to try to take care of it. The next day, Jake's mom took him to school early. They marched straight into the principal's office. Uh-oh, Jake looks a little scared. He looks a little nervous. Do you know that a second grade boy named Sam has been bullying the children? Jake's mom asked. This principal looks surprised. Maybe she didn't know. There is no second grader named Sam, the principal replied. You must mean Sam Greenhall. Sam is only in kindergarten. But that little boy is a big problem. Then the principal turned to Jake. Why didn't you tell me Sam was picking on you? She asked. See, it's important for you to tell adults so that we can take care of people bullying you. Jake's face turned bright red. Oh, his cheeks are really red. How do you think Jake is feeling? Maybe he's feeling a little embarrassed or scared or upset. He was too embarrassed to answer. What would you do if a younger kid was bullying you? What would you do if a younger kid was bullying you? You should still tell somebody, right? It doesn't matter if a bully is bigger than you or smaller than you. If somebody is making you feel bad or hurting your feelings or hurting your body, you need to tell your mom and dad, your teacher, somebody at the school so that we can help. Right? It's never good to be a bully. You never want to be the person that is a bully, and you always want to help. You always want to help if you see somebody being bullying. All right, my friends, I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.